AI versus your job. Prepare for change and embrace slow living. The rise of AI and automation. AI is no longer a distant future. It's here and evolving fast. From chatbots to self-driving cars, automation is replacing jobs in every industry. Routine tasks, from customer service to logistics, are now handled by machines. If your job is repetitive, AI could replace you soon. But don't panic, this is your wake-up call to prepare for a new way of living. Jobs at risk and industries affected. AI is transforming industries. Factory workers, drivers, accountants, and even writers are seeing their roles automated. Creative jobs and complex problem-solving roles are safer for now, but even they're changing. The key is to adapt. Understanding which jobs are at risk helps you make informed choices about your future career. AI will not replace everyone. Not all jobs will disappear. AI struggles with emotional intelligence, human creativity, and ethical decision-making. Jobs that require deep personal connections like therapists, caregivers, and teachers will still be needed. But even in these fields, AI will be a tool, not a replacement. The secret to staying relevant is learning how to work alongside AI. The new skills you need. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, new skills become crucial. Adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence will set you apart. Learn coding, critical thinking, and problem solving. Soft skills like leadership and communication will be more valuable than ever. The future belongs to those who can evolve with technology. The case for slow living. Instead of racing against AI, why not embrace a slower, more intentional life? Slow living isn't about doing nothing, it's about prioritizing what truly matters. Less stress, more time for creativity, and financial independence. If work is changing, so should the way we live. AI might take jobs, but it can also give us back time. Financial freedom in the AI era. Job security is fading, so financial independence is crucial. Focus on saving, investing, and multiple income streams. Passive income from investments, digital businesses, or side hustles can help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind. AI will make money making easier, but only if you prepare wisely. Embracing minimalism. Less stuff, less stress. In a world where AI reduces job security, why not live with less? Minimalism helps you focus on what truly adds value to your life. It's not about deprivation, but about freedom from unnecessary expenses, debt, and the pressure to keep up with consumerism. The future of work and remote jobs. Remote work and AI-driven jobs are the future. More people are freelancing, starting online businesses, or working remotely. AI will create new opportunities, but only for those willing to adapt. Learning digital skills, building an online presence, and networking globally can keep you ahead in this changing landscape. Mental well-being in a fast-changing world. The uncertainty of AI replacing jobs can be stressful, but stress won't help. You need a clear mind. Meditation, mindfulness, and healthy routines are essential. Slow down, reflect on your goals, and focus on what truly matters. AI is just a tool. Your happiness depends on how you use it. The time to prepare is now. AI is here, and change is happening fast. Don't wait until your job is gone. Prepare now. Learn new skills, embrace slow living, and rethink your relationship with work. The future isn't about competing with AI, but working with it while designing a life that makes you truly happy.